In this video, I will show you how to change your YouTube channel's name. So click on the profile icon at the top corner, and then we go into YouTube Studio. So click on that, and we go into YouTube Studio. Next, go down and you want to click on Customization on the left hand side menu. So click on Customization. Here you can change the channel name. So go to name and change it. So for example, we're going to change it to text with. And then you can also change the handle if you wanted to. And after that, click on publish. And that's it. It's now changed. Now you can go to your channel and you should see the change. If you do not see the change straight away, give it a few moments and then shortly after it should change. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.